i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar 308D CR hydraulic track excavator. To me, it's a mid-size excavator. Some folks might consider it a mini. Runs and operates great. Does have the Caterpillar bucket and hydraulic quick attach system. Also includes the factory hydraulic pin-on thumb. That's up by the shop. It does need a new cylinder, which is not included. It does have the hydraulic fill blade. You can hear the travel alarm. Rubber tracks. Sprockets look excellent. You can see them from here. It's got the auxiliary hydraulic system. It has had a fresh hydraulic fluid service on it. Full cab, working air conditioning and heater. Excellent little machine for doing utility work, landscaping, if you need to access people's backyards. It's got the power to do it, and it would do a great job at digging swimming pools. These are just great machines. Pretty great, good reach right there. We do have other buckets available at this time. As always, see our full inventory of heavy equipment as well as buckets and attachments online at www.i35equipment.com. If you like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on the website or call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back with the best hauling rate that comes back to us. As always, welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're equipped. And this machine is on consignment with us. We do specialize in consignment sales here. We help you get your machinery sold. If that's of interest to you, give us a call or fill out the form on our website. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment. You see it does have the work light there on the cab. Once it gets it parked, we'll take a walk around, check everything out, then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around inside there. Like I said, it does have the hydraulic quick attach system, so you can change out buckets or attachments easily and quickly from the cab. This is a Caterpillar factory bucket with 5 teeth on it. Hydraulic fill blade, rubber tracks. See if this one's locked or not. Access to your battery switch. Fuses on this side. Glass looks good all the way around. Now let's check out this undercarriage on this side before we hop up in here. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire someone who wants to accompany if you like. We're open by appointment only. It's shown by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. It's a pretty good seat in there. Nice clean machine. Working radio. Here's all your switches. Should be for all your auxiliary hydraulic systems. HVAC over here. Appreciate you taking time to watch.